start receiving from God. Ang problema po kasi natin, in every quiet time, the way we look at our quiet time, it's like something required. Di ba ako magbasa ng Bible? Di ba ako mag-pray? Kailangan magbasa ng Bible. Sabi pa sa mga passage daw sa patay. Lord, thank you, samahan ko ako ng Jesus kayo namin. Di ba? Lahat ay quiet time. I'm not guilty anymore. At least pagkakita ng pastor, did you ever quiet time? So as God talk to you, now I understand that there are some people who are so busy in the morning, like yung mga nanay, kailangan niya ihanda yung mga anak niya for school. Alam mo yun, praise God, summer na. Pero kumari na, school days, papagin na school days. Hoy, mga anak, pasensya na kayo, hindi na kayo nagluto na almusal, kaya may quiet time with God. You know yan? Ngayon, mga bata, wala, kaya hindi tayo makakain sa school, kasi si mami nagka-quiet time. Ano yun? So ngayon, kaya napakahiga. Ano yun, anak? Kaya dahil sa kanya, sa school, hindi makapagluto. Sabi ko, no, of course, you have been promised by God. So what do? You cook first. You prepare the things first. And once they're off to school, do your quiet time. Ganda ay, wala na sila. So there are so many people looking for you. What is the natural reaction? Ay, ganun ba? Dami naghahanap sa akin? Saan? Sino? O tara, puntahan natin sila. Hindi ba? Pero si Jesus, He got His direction not from Simon, He got His direction from God. Napunta na, nagsalita ang Diyos sa kanya, o Jesus is what I will have you do for the day. So when somebody else comes along, it does not really matter what he has to say, God has given His say. Nakukuha natin, many of us, including me, we tend to do our schedule based on the demands of the day. Nangyayari sa atin, nagsisimula dito dahil hindi mo lang kaya manahimik sa isang kwarto kasama ang Diyos. Kasi nga naman, if you're able to just sit still with God, then God will give you His peace. And God will give you His joy, and God will give you His direction. Eh, wala na akong magbibigay. Eh, wala ka ng tao. Inanakanta na ako eh. Eh, dami tawag eh. Kaya naman yun, pagka-quiet tayo, kakwalit tayo, katabi mo cellphone.